Are you making snow? That's snow.
Really?
You just made snow, dude. That's definitely snow.
So it really warmed up today. It's about 20 degrees out.
So we decided it would be a good day to try and pressure wash some stuff. First up is the 240. I just found this really nice poncho in Evan's garage. I'm gonna use it. Now we're gonna clean up the M46 a little bit. Wow. Wow. Man, we were doing so good. So here's another example of what not to do. When you're pressure washing, don't let your pressure washer hose lean up against the hot manifold because it'll burn a hole in it. So yeah.
I guess that's why it says keep away from hot surfaces.
Yeah. So we tried to do ourselves a favor by cleaning up the black brick a little bit and cleaning up the transmission before we put it in, but we ended up messing that up.
So we blew a hole in the pressure washer hose by rubbing it up against the hot exhaust manifold. That was a dumb idea. So we got things mostly clean. They're pretty good. So we're done with that for the day.
We'll finish it up later. It's mostly clean.
It's supposed to be warmer later on this week, so it'll be a little better.
We're going to get everything cleaned up. We still got to do the seals. We're going to paint the engine. And we're going to start reinstalling stuff soon. So let's keep this momentum going. We're going to get this thing finished. We're going to get it out on the road and start doing fun stuff with it.